I'm here in Goa to talk about Swaraj Abhiyan. Swaraj Abhiyan is a citizens' initiative for alternative politics. We are at the moment trying to connect to citizens all over the country who believe that alternative politics is possible, who believe that another world is possible. Swaraj Abhiyan has started several initiatives, but our leading initiative right now is the farmers movement, which we are conducting. It's the Jai Kisan Andolan. We would be presenting piece of earth from all over the country to the Parliament on the 10th of August. That is what we are working towards. I would invite everyone to join. I look at Goa not merely as a tourist destination. Goa is also a source of inspiration for its citizens' initiatives. It is a source of inspiration for people's struggle. It's a source of ideas about alternative ways of imagining development. What we witness in Goa is a classic case of there being a government but there being no opposition. There is really no opposition. This government came with lots of hope. People thought at last corruption can be challenged. But this government has belied all those hopes. There is a need for a genuine alternative. And I would think of Swaraj Abhiyan as providing that platform on which a new alternative can be built. People voted this government with lots and lots of hope. But those hopes have been belied. And there is no opposition to take the place. So we really need, the space is at the moment vacant. There is a vacuum, and alternative politics must step into that vacuum.